Meet the ViaTerra Kruger Pro riding jacket, our flagship motorcycle touring jacket, designed, developed and made in India by ViaTerra. Built for riders who demand the best, the Kruger Pro is shaped by the three pillars of protection, comfort and functionality, and is made for those who want to travel the world on two wheels. Protection is at the core of every layer of the Kruger Pro jacket. Large wrap-around SuperFabric panels cover key abrasion areas at the shoulders and elbows. SuperFabric is a specialized material with micro-ceramic plates that make it highly resistant to abrasion and cuts while staying flexible. The generous use of SuperFabric panels on the jacket significantly improves slide and abrasion protection. The areas covered by SuperFabric are further reinforced with a layer of 500D genuine INVISTA CORDURA. And the areas surrounding the SuperFabric panels have dual-layered 500D genuine INVISTA CORDURA. Again, a material chosen because of its superior resistance to tears and abrasion. The high-stress zones adjacent to these areas have been strengthened by using ripstop fabrics and 600D Oxford. The Kruger Pro riding jacket is compatible with a full suite of SAS-TEC CE Level 2 armor. SAS-TEC is a German brand that specializes exclusively in the development and manufacturing of body armor and has been a leader in this space for decades. The shoulder and elbow armors used on the Kruger Pro are Type B CE Level 2 armor that offer wider coverage as compared to Type A variants. The back armor is SAS-TEC's full-size CE Level 2 variant, which again covers a larger part of the back and spine as compared to other armor. For the chest, it can accommodate SAS-TEC CE Level 2 chest armor, which is sold separately. When it comes to such a critical aspect of your protective riding gear, we made sure that there are no compromises with what's inside the Kruger Pro as well. Speaking of which, the built-in elasticated breathable lumbar belt not only helps make it easier and more comfortable to wear your touring riding jacket for longer, but also holds the larger back armor closer to your body, providing better protection to the spine. When it comes to comfort, the Kruger Pro jacket delivers with a special focus towards Indian riding conditions. Generous ventilation is achieved by large strategically placed mesh panels on the chest, arms and back, designed to maximize airflow passing over the key heat zones of your body. Even the armors used in the Kruger Pro jacket are ventilated to minimize any kind of restriction. On-the-bike comfort is improved by the pre-curved design of the sleeves and the stretch panels at the shoulder blade and elbows that make it easier to move with your motorcycle. A combination of adjustability further assists in fine-tuning the fit of your Kruger Pro jacket. A full-length dual main zipper, adjustable collar, cinch straps at the upper waist, snap adjustment at the biceps and a cinch strap at the arm and Velcro cuff adjusters. The aim, quite simply, was to ensure that your jacket fits and feels like it was made for you. When it comes to functionality, the Kruger Pro jacket is designed with a true touring-first approach. The two large water-resistant front cargo pockets offer generous storage, and the pocket flap has silicone detailing that makes them easier to grip and open with gloves on or even when slightly wet. The Napoleon chest pockets have large zippers and offer more easily accessible storage. The spacious rear cargo pocket is a good place to tuck away a spare pair of riding gloves or even a rain jacket. Details matter, and the molly loops on the front side of the jacket can be used to clip or stash things when you want to keep your hands free. Well-placed 3M reflectives make you more visible in low-light conditions, and soft neoprene piping on the collar and cuffs ensure no coarse abrasion against your skin. The jacket also features a 180-degree YKK zipper that is compatible with ViaTerra riding pants, offering a stronger and more durable connection that holds your protective gear together. From the high Himalayas to the scorching heat of southern India and the deserts of Rajasthan, we have tested the Kruger Pro gear extensively to know that what we've created delivers what you need. This riding jacket is truly made for motorcycle travelers who make no compromises.